Hi guys! So in today's video I'm going to show you how to moisturize hands, nighttime and overnight routine. If you're joining from the video where I showed you how to keep the tips of your nails white, thank you very much for coming straight over. And if this is your first time here, I'd also like to thank you very much for coming. Please check out my other video where I showed you how to keep the tips of your nails clean, if that's something you might be interested in. And also consider subscribing to the channel so that you can get more healthy nail tips in future. And don't forget to turn on notification bells so you won't miss any future updates from me. Let's get started with the routine. So things I'm going to be using today are, on the far right hand side we have M&S pomegranate hand cream, and next we have Avon nourishing cocoa butter. This makes the hand very smooth. I use this one just before I sleep, and I use the M&S one throughout the day. And obviously I'm going to be washing my hands first of all with the antibacterial hand wash. In the comment section below, tell me if you always wash your hands before moisturizing, or you just moisturize your hands anytime. I always first of all start with washing my hands. I never cream my hands without first washing them. This makes the hand more smooth. After that, I'll take my tissue and dry my hands. Make sure each nail is dried very well. Massage it into the palms and rub it all over. Start off with the hands first. And then after I've massaged the hands, I move on to the nails. So you would do that for each individual nail. Just rub the cream, massage it into the nail. This will go into the cuticle and make it healthy as it's growing. It will make it grow too. Do that for each individual nail. Making sure to get into the cuticle. Also do the same for the other hand. let me share an interesting tip with you. If you have any kind of moisturizer that's in a bottle like this, when it gets to its lowest level, sometimes the cream doesn't come out at the top. So I know it might sound funny, but I thought I'd just share with you. So instead of throwing it away, all you need to do, open the bottle, just put a little bit of water inside it. Put the lid back on. Give it a little shake. You might think the cream will come out watery, but it doesn't. It still will come out in its normal texture. So next time you feel like you want to throw your hand cream away, just add a little bit of water to it and you can still use it. See, not watery at all. So this is what my nails look like. Benefits of washing and moisturizing your hands before you go to sleep is that while you're sleeping, your hands are doing normal activities. While you're asleep, your body is repairing itself. The nails and hands are also being nourished and repaired. Overnight, the moisture is working. Throughout the day, we're using our hands constantly to do our work and go in the garden, all types of activities. But while you're sleeping, your hands are just resting. There's no washing, you're not doing too much activities to it. So the moisture and everything stays locked in, and that will make your nail healthy. And moisture prevents the brittleness, which prevents breakage and damage to the nails. So if you keep your nails fully moisturized just before you go to bed, it's very, very good for the health of your nails. As you can see, beautiful shine on my nails and how healthy my hands and nails look. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm also going to be showing you how to grow long, strong, natural nails. If that's something you might be interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check out my How To Beauty Hands and Nails playlist for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video, guys. Now there's a few videos that popped up on the screen. Please select the one that interests you the most, and I'll see you in a few minutes.